Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Hazrat Adam and Hazrat Moses alayhi salam entered into a debate before their Lord. So Hazrat Adam alayhi salam achieved dominance over Hazrat Moses alayhi salam. Hazrat Moses alayhi salam said, "You are Adam whom Allah Jalla Jalaluhu created with his own hand and inspired in you his favorite spirit and made angels prostrate themselves before you, kept you in his paradise. But you then caused the expulsion of the people to the earth because of your lapse." Hazrat Adam alayhi salam said, "You are Moses whom Allah Jalla Jalaluhu singled out for his apostleship and his interlocution, and granted you those tablets which carry the description of everything, and granted you the status for private audience. Tell me, how long before my creation Allah Jalla Jalaluhu wrote the Torah?" Hazrat Moses alayhi salam said, 40 years before. Hazrat Adam alayhi salam asked, "Have you read in the Torah that Adam committed a lapse and he did not get the way to what he desired?" He replied, "Yes." Hazrat Adam alayhi salam whereupon said, "Are you reproaching me for a thing about which Allah Jalla Jalaluhu had written 40 years before my creation that I would do it?" Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Hence Hazrat Adam alayhi salam achieved dominance over Hazrat Moses alayhi salam." Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6686.